In this video, I'll compare OpenAI latest model GPT-4o with Microsoft Copilot. Hi everyone, I'm Dave and welcome to my channel. OpenAI has just released its latest, smarter and faster model GPT-4o, and you will want to stay until the end of this video because the results are flabbergasting. To illustrate the difference between the two tools, I'll use the latest financial results of Tesla for Q1 2024, which are provided in a publicly available PDF document on their website. So I opened both tools. To the left, I have ChatGPT using the 4o model, and to the right, I have Microsoft Copilot Pro using the GPT-4 Turbo model. I asked both tools to highlight the key points of the document attached. To the left with ChatGPT, I attached the PDF of the Tesla Q1 2024 update. And for Copilot, you actually can't attach document, so I had to open Microsoft Copilot in Edge to do my document summary. If you just open the PDF on Microsoft Edge and then click on Generate Document Summary, Microsoft Copilot will actually act the same as ChatGPT, except that you didn't join a document. I prompted both tools, and now we can see that ChatGPT is really fast with the results. I have my key elements on a bullet points basis, and it is really fast. To the right, that you can see that Microsoft Copilot is kind of slow and is actually summarizing the document. If I go back up on the ChatGPT, I can see that I have my financial highlights really clearly stated: the GAAP operating income, the net income, the operating cash flow, the free cash flow, and all sort of financial highlights. To the right, as you can see, Microsoft Copilot only did 4 bullet points, and I had to click on add more. I had to click on add part 2 to get more information about my financial results. Microsoft Copilot is still slow, so I can give OpenAI that their GPT-4o is really faster than GPT-4. As you can see on the left, I have more information with ChatGPT. I have the key challenges and operational insights. I have the vehicle production and deliveries with a total production of 400,000 of Tesla vehicle, and actually way more information. To the right, when I'm trying to find this information, I just can't. ChatGPT even gives me an outlook of Tesla to the left, and when I look at the right on Microsoft Copilot, there is no outlook. So I just ask Microsoft Copilot, can you tell me the outlook of Tesla in this report? And actually Copilot is loading, and you'll see eventually that the results that it gave me are kind of similar to ChatGPT. I think it is really easy to give a winner here, and I give the winner to ChatGPT because it was way faster. I could attach documents, and the information it gave me are way more clearer. OpenAI statement is that ChatGPT 4o can do advanced charts analysis and advanced data analysis, and to do so I will take a screenshot of the left graph here. That is the vehicle deliveries of Tesla in millions of units since Q2 of 2021 up until first quarter of 2024. So I took my screenshot and I will just copy paste the screenshot into Copilot to the right and into ChatGPT to the left. I will ask both tools, can you analyze this chart from Tesla Q4 results? I just copy paste my prompt into ChatGPT. I hit send, and look at how fast ChatGPT is. It takes roughly 3 seconds and I have all my information. And once again, the slow turtle on the right, Microsoft Copilot is analyzing the image and it takes forever. In a matter of seconds, ChatGPT gives me the insights and implications of Tesla. And what is cool is that it gives me the growth pattern and also highlight the recent decline of Tesla. This is real time. Look at the right. Copilot, after roughly 30 seconds, is coming up with his results. What I really like from ChatGPT on the left As you can see, the chart is pretty simple. It gives me an overall trend. So it shows a general upward trend from second quarter of 2021 to the fourth quarter. And then I have a really detailed analysis of quarter by quarter how many million of units were created by Tesla. ChatGPT also highlights the seasonal fluctuation with the deliveries often peaking in the last quarter of the years, and it also highlights that there was a decline for Tesla in the first quarter of 2024. It does a year-over-year analysis from the first quarter of 2023 with the first quarter of 2024, and on the right, Microsoft Copilot unfortunately stays really generic, really general. It tells me that my graph has the quarters on the x-axis and the y-axis represent the number of vehicle, and it says that there is a noticeable upward trend in vehicle delivery, but nothing about the recent decline of Tesla and nothing about quarter-over-quarter analysis. Do I really need to highlight a winner for this part of this video? I don't think so. I'm honestly flabbergasted, but look at what's coming up with the vision feature of ChatGPT 4o.
So, ChatGPT, what equation did I write down there?
Ah, I see it now. You wrote down 3x plus 1 equals 4.
Yep, exactly. So what's the first step I should take to try to solve this?
For this part of this video, I wanted to ask AI to analyze the statement of operations of Tesla. Don't worry, you don't have to be an accountant to understand this part of this video. I just thought there was a lot of information and it will make great content for the AI to analyze. So I told ChatGPT, here is the statement of operations of Tesla. Could you analyze it and give me a short summary like I'm a 5 years old and I have no knowledge of finance. At the top left, as you can see, it is unable to upload my image because I have reached my limit of file upload to GPT-4o. So if you don't pay, you can only upload one file. To the right, I did the same thing. I copy pasted my screenshot into Copilot and here we go. Since I had reached my limit, I just went with a basic prompt on the ChatGPT side. So I didn't put any additional document, just what he had. He already had the PDF, remember we uploaded the PDF in the first part of this video. So here we go, ChatGPT goes once again, how much money would they make? ChatGPT compares the revenues with toys, so just like a 5-year-old will know that what are toys, and it also explained the cost of goods sold with the money they spent to make these toys. After that, they explain the gross margin with what left after paying for the cost. So they call it the gross profit. And ChatGPT is spot on because it talks about the piggy bank. So speaking of piggy bank, if you didn't subscribe to this channel yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button because I am the piggy bank accountant. On the right side, Copilot, the very slow turtle, goes on with the lemonade example. So it says that Tesla is selling lemonade, parenthesis, cars and energy product. And they say they sold a lot of lemonade in 2023 and 2023. For the cost of revenues, they talk about lemons and sugar to explain the cost of revenues and the gross profit, how much money they have in their pocket. They keep going and going. I think that the huge winner on this one is once again ChatGPT, because as you can see, there is even a summary at the very bottom, and I just like it better how the information is summarized and divided between the categories. All of this is really cool, but I never thought we'll get to this level of AI game.
Carl, every sunrise, I think about how your smile lights up my life.
Julia, you are the dream I never dared to dream, and now you are my whole universe.
But Carl, I have to confess something.
Since I use AI very often to write emails and do text treatments, I wanted to ask both tools to write a 5-line summary of the financial results of Tesla. And to be honest with you, I wasn't too impressed here. I think that Copilot did just fine on the right, very short email, just like I asked in my prompt. And I also asked the same thing to ChatGPT. So I want to write a 5-line summary email to send to my finance team. And here we go to the left, just a 5-line summary with ChatGPT. And I felt the result pretty weak. So I asked them, could you add more to it? I prompted that to both tools. And I have to admit here, I think that I prefer the Copilot version of it that you will see happening on the right here, and really more detailed. Dear team, it puts some bold characters on all of the sections of the email. I just felt it was looking much better, so I have to give this one to Microsoft Copilot. I still think Microsoft will dominate the corporate world with Microsoft Copilot and its integration in the 365 apps, but this vision feature can really take it to another level. However, I think that Microsoft can also do another partnership with OpenAI to buy this vision feature or whatever. Anyways, if you want to learn more on Microsoft Copilot, I have a link right here to my masterclass.